Hello friends, hope you all are safe and healthy. Today I Daksh Malik going to tell you a speech on the topic Teachers Day. If you like this video, please subscribe my channel makes everything easy and put the comment on the video. First of all, happy Teachers Day to all of you. So let's begin with the speech on the Teachers Day. Teachers Day. It celebrates the transformative role of a teacher which they play in a student's life. In other words, teachers spend all their years in educating us and helping us become better human beings. However, generally people forget their teachers once they pass out of their school. Thus, it is very important to have a day that is dedicated solely to them and their contributions. It is rather essential to show gratitude to these great human beings who shape us in innumerable ways. In India, we celebrate Teachers' Day on the 5th of September every year. A lot of activities take place in order to appreciate the teachers and their offerings. The man behind it. In India, 5th September is chosen as Teachers' Day because it was the birthday of Dr. Sarvepalli Radhakrishnan. He was a renowned academic of our country who was also the first vice president and the second president of independent India. Before he stepped foot into politics, Dr. Sarvepalli Radhakrishnan used to represent the University of Calcutta in numerous international forums in the United Kingdom. After he became the president, his students wanted to celebrate his birthday. Instead, he asked them to mark it as a day to celebrate teachers. Thus, due to this and his contribution to academics, his birth anniversary became Teachers' Day for Indians. Significance of this day. Teachers' Day serves as a great reminder to appreciate our teachers for their services which they continue to render to the students and also to the community as a whole. Further, it is also teachers who motivate us to do better in life. Thus, it recognizes their efforts to produce excellent artists, doctors, musicians, dancers, engineers, and more. It also encourages the student to respect and honor the teachers because they play a major role in making the students what they are. Teachers' Day is great for making them feel appreciated and loved as it does not happen every day due to the busy schedule. Furthermore, this day gives them a much needed break from the busy schedule as the teachers are always under stress to complete the syllabus on time. It helps them relax and enjoy a day meant to celebrate their greatness and contributions. In honor of my teachers, you might not realize the power of simple words as a thank you can go a long way. In this fast-paced world, we forget to express gratitude to one another. Thus, Teachers Day serve as the perfect opportunity to express our gratitude to our beloved teachers present here. Every day is a blessing because of my dear teachers. Their selflessness and love people me grow and learn new things. Each day our teachers show up for us despite various hardships that they do not discuss. Thus, it is our turn now to show them we are here for them. It is because of you, dear teachers, that we are all able to have the skills that we do today. Your experiences have helped us become wiser for the better. No token of appreciation can ever be enough to thank you for what you all have done for us. Time spent with each one of us is nothing short of memorable, and we will forever be indebted to you all for shaping our personalities and making us better human beings. If you like this video, you can also share this video to your teachers. Thank you. Have a gorgeous day.